So here's another fun thing about doing all this suspension. So supposedly this car had an alignment done some time ago, not that long ago, but when I tried to remove this nut just snapped. Well, actually the bolt just snapped, and this nut was just rusted. The good thing about it is that I broke it myself. Otherwise, if this thing snapped at the place that does the alignment, that would be a situation, I would say. All this white stuff here is basically the result of the corrosion between two dissimilar metals. The bushing is in a good shape, it doesn't have any free play or anything in it, but so without freeing this bolt up, the alignment cannot really be adjusted or cannot be done in the back, because this is the toe adjustment for the rear of the car, and the bolt is just rusted in, and suppose I can demonstrate how tight it is. So here's my breaker bar, because nothing else fits in the back, like an impact wrench. And all I can do is this. These two things, they just turn together. Yeah, there's a train making all this noise. Yep. This is just basically the bushing inside of this toe arm is rusted. Is rusted to the eccentric bolt, and they need to come apart. So at this point, when all other options are exhausted, I don't think there is anything else that I can do except get our favorite tool and just start cutting through the bushing and the bolt. Like I said, I don't think there's any other option at this point, so keep cutting it. So it seems like I'm going through the bolt now also. Aluminum was kind of easy and fast, but the bolt in the center of the bushing is a bit tough. Man, I kind of missed the moment. Oh boy, I twisted this thing and the bolt snapped. There's a lot of rust. So now what's left is to get this thing out of here. I guess flexing this, I'll get a breaker bar. But that does the job too. So here it is, broken bolt. And here's what it's ended up being like. Now I have to buy this bolt, which is not cheap, by the way. It's like $12 or so, if not more, these days. Then this washer looks okay, and I have to, well, naturally I have to get a new nut, and I have to replace this bushing, which I really didn't plan to do, but now I have to. Yeah, good luck. There is no chance whatsoever. So if this bolt doesn't turn, naturally the toe arm wouldn't move and the alignment wouldn't be possible. So on the positive note, now the alignment can be possible on this car. We'll have a new bolt. Actually, I guess the other side, I suppose, is going to be the same way, so I'm kind of prepared for it. The bottom line is rust is your enemy. That's what I think.